Let's finish this up. Thanks for joining me on this ride. Drop a comment if you want to see more.